Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Valenciana Suramadeni.
My name is Ivanur Fadilah.
Today I will present the result of the discussion summary.
Medical English is a specialist language used in healthcare to describe disease, anatomy, treatments, and procedure. It uses Greek and Latin roots and follows the SOAP format for documentation. Medical terms are formed from the three parts: word root, prefix, and suffix. Key vocabulary includes acute, chronic, benign, malignant, and diagnosis, prognosis. Common abbreviations are BP, HR, RR, STAT, PRN, and medication terms like BID. Medical documentation must be clear, dated, timed, and correct properly.
DSS classification and documentation use third-DS coding systems such as ICD-11 and ICD-10 to record health data. Proper documentation ensures patient safety, provides medical necessity, and supports accurate reimbursement. There are several types of clinical procedure. 1. General hierarchies. Producer request details operative reports. 2. Minor producers need consent and site documentation. 3. Diagnosis procedure must include clinical indication and provider interpretation. 4. Therapeutic procedure require baseline status and monitor vital signs. In medical communication, the simple present tense is used to sentence phase and routine procedures. All medical record must be clear, time-sampled, signed, and included follow-up instructions.
The simple present tense plays an important role in medical documentation. It presents information as current, objective, and factual, often describing conditions that remain true over time. In clinical setting, it is used to describe 1. Chronic condition and current status. A patient has asthma. 2. Habits and lifestyle. A patient smokes daily. 3. General medical fact. Hypertension increases stroke risk. 4. Routine and schedules. The clinic opens at 9 a.m. 5. Prescription instruction. Take 1 table daily. Grammar accuracy is essential. Especially subject-verb agreement for third person singular form. Abbreviation must also be defined at first mention. It is important to distinguish it from other tenses. 1. Simple present for fact and current status. 2. Present continuous for ongoing action. 3. Simple past for completed event.
Patient medical records are complete documented, contain personal, clinic, and administrative information about a patient's health and treatment. They include 1. Administration data identification, insurance consent form. 2. Clinic records such as medical history, physical exam, and SOAP notes. 3. Diagnosis and treatment logs like lab result, image report, medication records, and operative notes. 4. Summaries including discharge and follow-up restore. In medical documentation, the passive voice is commonly used to focus on the patient rather than the healthcare provider. It created a more objective and professional tone. Passive sentence use a form of to be plus past participle. For example, 1. The patient was admitted. 2. Blood samples were taken. 3. The wound was cleaned and dressed.
Clinical diagnosis and procedure involve identifying and treating disease through imaging tests, laboratory tests, endoscopy, biopsies, and cardiac procedure. These help diagnose conditions such as heart disease, infection, metabolic, respiratory, and neurological disorders. A sentence is a complete thought with a subject and predicate, starting with a capital letter and ending with proper punctuation. Basic English word order is subject, verb, object. 3 are different types of sentence. 1. Simple, 1 independent clause. 2. Compound, 2 independent clause joined by fan voice or a semicolon. 3. Complex, 1 independent clause and at least an dependent clause. Compound sentence as coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, so, will. Complex sentence use subordinating conjunction like because, although, if, and when.
Medical record often use complex sentences that contain detailed medical phrase about diagnosis, symptoms, medication, procedure, and clinical condition. These phrases are usually multi-word. Terms may include time reference, contextual information, or negation such as rule out. Key categories of medical phrases include 1. Diagnosis, 2. Symptoms, 3. Treatments, 4. Procedures and investigation, 5. Contextual modifiers like history of or status post. These phrases appear in different documents such as administration notice, discharge summaries, HPI, progress notice, and suggestal reports. Complex medical sentence usually contain abbreviation, precise terminology, cause and effects relationship, and multiple clinic detail in one sentence.
A medical report is a structured document used to record important administrative, clinical, and legal information. It helps communication between clinicians, insurance companies, and authorized organizations. The report generally includes 1. Administrative details and clinician credentials. 2. Purpose of the report. 3. Subjective findings, patient-reported symptoms. 3. Objective findings, exam result, diagnosis test. 4. Assessment and management plan. 5. Prognosis and medical opinion. 6. Certification and signature. The example case describes a patient with chronic lower back pain supported by MRI and X-ray findings, treated with medication and therapy, with a chronic but manageable prognosis. Key points in writing a short medical report are to follow a clear structure, be accurate and objective, include subjective and objective data, and provide a clear treatment plan and prognosis.
Thank you for watching.